Michaela was really behind. Her teacher says she was below average. Being a military family, we've moved a lot. And I guess that kind of affected the way she was learning. It made me sad, because it's like, well, I know she's smart.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 8:45 a.m.
Teacher